In this video, we show how to tension the chain on a Stihl MS170 or MS180, but this process is the same for most chainsaws. The model we have here is a toolless design. Yours may have two retaining nuts and an adjuster that requires the use of the combination tool that came with your saw. Begin by loosening the side cover and bar by the hand wheel or two nuts on the side of the machine. Use one hand to lift the bar and the other to tighten the chain, checking it along the way. On a properly adjusted chain, you should be able to pull the chain down until you can see a maximum of 3/4 of the drive tooth, and the chain should snap back into the bar when released. An optional method is to brace the bar against a tabletop or log, for instance. Do not skip on preloading the bar, or your chain will likely end up being too tight when in use. If you appreciate these sorts of videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell below. Hipa has a full line of parts and accessories for your small machines, including all-in-one repair and maintenance kits. Visit us at hipastore.com.